Hello guys, Crispy here, welcome back to another video in the second channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this Palit GamingPro RTX 5080 GPU. It looks like it's going to be quite a big one actually compared to the Founders Edition especially. Let's get into it. So I brought a special knife for this one. It's a fish knife that I used to make sushi with, and it's also an RTX 5080 knife, as you can see. Very legit. So let's go over here and unbox this thing. Actually, if you want to take a look at the box, this is it. Feel free to pause the video if you want to take a closer look at anything here, and let's just do this now. Very smooth indeed. I like this knife a lot, guys. Alright, opening it up over here. Let's slide this off. There we go. I just realized that this is upside down, but there's HDMI, HDCP right there on the box. We wouldn't be able to see that if it wasn't upside down. Oh, actually, it wasn't upside down. All right, there's nothing on the bottom here on this black box. Let's open it up like this. Ooh, we got a lot of stickers there. Interesting. Look at this. Game Rock, Palit, GamingPro, Dual, Palit Jetstream. This is interesting. Yeah, these are stickers indeed. Okay, now we got this little card as well. Palit, share your Palit-powered success stories. All right, I will definitely do that in the 1440p review of the 5080. Ooh! Oh, no way! This is a mousepad. Very tiny mousepad, but so cute. I love it. NVIDIA and Palit here. Wow! I was not expecting that. I've never seen a mousepad being included with a GPU box. Again, it's a very tiny one. I won't be able to do the flick shots and stuff like that in CSGO, or CS2 actually, over in this one, unless I increase the sensitivity like crazy, but wow. That's a nice inclusion. And now let's reveal the graphics card, I think. Yeah, there we go. All right. So first of all, let's take a look at the connector. Ooh, it's similar to the older ones, actually, from the 40 series cards. Not that I have a problem with them. It shouldn't really melt your connectors with a 5080, but yeah, I'll show you the other one. So this is the one you get with the Founders Edition version of the RTX 5080. It's a lot more malleable, as you can see, than this one. But, well, they will both work absolutely fine, obviously. Now, let's get this thing out of the box. Get this off. And here we go. We got the GamingPro RTX 5080 here. Flow-through design over on this side. We got the 16-pin connector there. GamingPro, GeForce RTX. Nice design. I really like this look, actually. Look at this. It's kind of like some pipes. Industrial look. I will install it and take a look at it later, but yeah. That's the card right there. What about the ports? It's the same as the Founders Edition with those new display ports and HDMI 2.1b. The PCIe 5.0 connector there. Very nice, and yeah, that's about it. Let's compare it a little bit with the RTX 5080 Founders Edition, actually. Nothing else in the box, by the way. And here we have them, the RTX 5080 Founders Edition and the Palit GamingPro version. GamingPro seems to be a lot thicker, of course, as you can see. A little bit bigger over here on the side. In terms of height, they're actually very similar. I think the Founders Edition is a little bit bigger on the height. And here they are side by side with their backs turned to us. Very beautiful cards. I really love the Founders Edition look, not gonna lie. But this one, again, it's kind of a different design with these pipe-ish looking things. I like it. Alright guys, so in goes the RTX 5080 from Palit, the GamingPro. There we go. And now I gotta use this adjustable stand over here because my screws are all worn off now. Okay, that's very unfortunate. This came with my RTX 4090 Strix, by the way. And now let's install the connector here. There we go. and plug these into the power supply cables. All right. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and now we're good to go. Let me just plug the HDMI as well. Turn on the computer. 3, 2, 1. There it is. RGB. Look at that. Or, yeah, there we go. Finally, rainbow. Okay. I was a little bit concerned there, seeing one color at the time. But no, you can actually adjust this to your liking as well, as far as I'm aware. There's no more RGB on the card, by the way. It's just this little area right there. Seeing it from the bottom. Get out of the way, cable. That's it right there. So yeah, that's the RTX 5080 Gaming Pro unboxing and installation. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll catch you this Sunday with a full review of this card at 1440p resolution. So stay tuned in. As always, love you all. Bye-bye.